Today I show you how to change the ringtone on your Samsung Galaxy Android phone. Usually on Samsung you hear the same ringtone all the time, and it would be interesting to see if you are interested to change the ringtone. If you wanted to, you can have any ringtone you like. You can have the ringtone as a from the voice note, from download sound, anything, any ringtone. You can have a ringtone from an MP3 file, a WAV file. You can use as a ringtone any audio file that you have locally on your phone, or an audio note, or a recording, voice recording, or music you have on your phone, anything, video, maybe not video, I'm not sure. But you can use anything. If you can download the audio file on your phone, you can use it as a ringtone. Basically, this is how it works. So usually you have the settings for audio. The settings for the ringtones are in the settings on your Samsung phone. You go right in the sound and the vibration, and here you have lots of settings you can change. You can choose to vibrate while ringing. I prefer to keep it off. And ringtone, notification sound, system sound, there are a lot of settings, but now we're looking at ringtone. There are lots of options here, and also the volume. You can use the volume up and volume down to change the settings. And ringtone is what we're looking at now, and I can adjust the volume of the ringtone like this. And usually the default ringtone on Samsung phones it's very relaxing to hear this. Okay. So you can really change it from here directly. You can really change the ringtone to anything from there, but I will show you also custom ringtones. Okay, so you can also turn off the ringtone if you don't want to hear it. You can, from the settings here on this, you press volume up or down, and then you have all this media and ringtone settings like this. So now it's back to the original one, and I want to show you that you can use the plus here, this plus here in the corner, and you can use the sound picker to choose any file from your phone as a ringtone. You can use any file from your phone as a ringtone. You can go to folders here below and then browse to the folder you want. You can go into the downloads file, the voice notes, everything you might want to say. If you want to make a voice note saying pick up the phone and then you want to set that as a ringtone, you can do that. For example, this is the Samsung folder, and there is this M4A. So if I pick this file, I'm in the folders here, I pick the file, press done, and now I have this. It's even a bit louder. It's a bit louder. It's interesting this I like the mix of the Galaxy Bells ringtone together with the voice adjustment. Could keep this one. That's it. Now you changed your Samsung Galaxy Android phone. That's it. Now you change the ringtone on your Samsung Galaxy phone, and it doesn't sound like all the other Samsung phones anymore. You can really use anything: music, voice memo, sound you recorded from outside, anything. Or one of the built-in ringtones. They have a lot of ringtones. Thanks for watching. I hope this helps you.